This is a 2023 Ram 1500, the Rebel with the 5.7 Hemi engine in it. We just took off the factory exhaust tips, installed some nice double wall black tips. Just got a nice look to it out the back here. Did take the factory resonators off. The customer wants a really good rumble to it. Went with a Flowmaster Super 44 muffler. It's all completely stock off the motor. Should wake it up good, just give it a nice, good, deep, throaty tone. Let's see what it sounds like.